Everyone knows that making money takes weeks, months, even years. But that's where you're wrong. You can move this needle with some simple actions you can begin today. Forget what you've been told. These are real money moves you can start before this video ends. Technology has made it so you can get paid for almost anything. But what about getting paid for your attention? There are websites that will literally pay you just to browse the web or watch short videos. These sites offer cash or gift cards simply for reviewing ads, trying products, or giving feedback. No, it's not life-changing money, but it is money you can start earning right now while sitting on your couch. Stack this with downtime during Netflix or your commute, and you've just created a mini cash stream out of thin air. Next, take a look around your home. Seriously, you probably have $200 to $500 worth of unused stuff sitting in your closet right now. Old headphones, outgrown clothes, a blender you never touched. List them on Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, or eBay. Most people don't realize how fast everyday items can sell when priced right. Set a 1-hour timer. Snap pics. Write short descriptions. Boom, you're in business. And best of all, this takes zero investment. You're turning clutter into cash. But what if you have things around your house that you don't want to sell? You can still make money with them by renting out stuff you already own. We are not talking about renting out a room. That is not always an option for people. But think about it. Your bike, your power tools, a camera, even your parking space. There are platforms which let you list your items or space and get paid when others use them. You're not selling, just lending. If you've got something valuable collecting dust, put it to work. Even better, this can become a passive income stream if it picks up momentum. Our next money move is one that literally everyone can do. Do you have a basic skill? Good with words, Canva, voiceovers, or social media? Then you can offer a microservice on Fiverr or Upwork today. And you don't need to be an expert. Services like name this business, write a short bio, or create 3 Instagram captions sell all the time. Start at $5 or $10 just to build reviews. Then raise your rates as you go. You're not just making money, you're building a reputation that can snowball into a side hustle. Now for the boldest move on the list, host a last-minute paid online session. Here's how it works. Pick something you're decent at, like beginner guitar, basic budgeting, or meditation. Create a quick Canva graphic offering a 30-minute session for $10 to $20 and post it on your socials, community boards, or Reddit threads. You'd be surprised how many people want quick, affordable help from a real human. No certification needed, no fancy tools. Just Zoom and some confidence. You can book 1 to 2 people today and make real money from what you already know. These aren't get-rich-quick gimmicks. They're action steps you can take right now to prove to yourself that money is already within reach. You don't need to build an empire in one day. You just need a win. One tiny money move. Then do it again tomorrow. Knowing what money moves to make each day is only half the challenge of achieving financial freedom. There are plenty of daily choices that look like they help you, but actually they drain your funds. Check out this video to help you avoid those financial traps.